Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my vlog. I'm a former holistic cosmetologist, makeup artist, and fashion photographer. As you probably saw in the title, in today's vlog, we are heading to Newport, Rhode Island. I have a meeting there. I'm attending a party at one of the super beautiful mansions, but I'm also checking into the spa for a few days for a little bit of a reset. But before we hit the road, I'm having some friends over tonight and I wanted to make a super yummy tiramisu. Over the last few vlogs, we have been talking a lot about weight loss and how to stay in shape. So I wanted to share with you guys this absolutely delicious recipe, which is, I guess, a tiramisu. It tastes like a tiramisu, but it is vegan, it is gluten-free, and in a whole tiramisu, there's nothing but 8 tablespoons of maple syrup in it as a sweetener. My version is going to be vegan and gluten-free, but you can mix and match it however you like. For example, if you want to use the original filling recipe and just make the almond cake like I make it, or if you want to substitute the original cream with the coconut cream and use the original lady fingers, you can do whatever you want, whatever works for you. However, my version is going to be vegan and gluten-free. Alrighty, let's get to it. Alrighty, guys, the tiramisu is chilling in the fridge. I am packed and ready to go for Newport, and my friends are gonna arrive shortly. For the rest of the evening, I probably won't vlog that much, but I will see you guys tomorrow on the road to Newport. Once we get to Newport, I kind of have to go to my meeting right away. After that, I'm going to a very beautiful event, which is a private event at one of the mansions. So I'm not sure how much I can film for you guys, but I will definitely film as much as possible. After that, I have a dinner planned before checking into the spa. So, needless to say, I can't wait for all of that, and I will see you guys tomorrow on the road. Alrighty, guys, it is now a couple of days later. I got back a few hours ago and I watered all of my plants, took care of all the pets, and now I'm finally settled in and I'm ready to chill for the evening. Before I wrap this vlog, I did want to take a moment to remind you if you do not have time to go away for a whole weekend because you're just so busy, you have a family, etc., maybe take a few hours, book a massage. If you don't have time for that, make a cup of tea, put on a mask, enjoy a hot bath, read a book, but really make sure you make some time to take care of yourself. With all that being said, I'm probably going to make myself a big cup of tea now and relax for the rest of the evening. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll actually be going back to Newport, Rhode Island in about 2 to 3 weeks. There were some treatments that I wanted to have done, but you can't have them done too shortly after other treatments. So I have another spa weekend booked coming up in a few weeks. So again, if you guys want to know where I'm going, what I'm having done, etc., leave a comment or shoot me a DM on Instagram and I'll make a vlog about it. But until then, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Love you. Bye.